Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Should I Choose a Gas, Electric, or Induction Cooktop? Now, let's fire up this discussion hotter than a jalapeno in a heat wave. The Great Kitchen Conundrum, gas, electric, or induction. It's a decision that can turn passionate kitchen debates into culinary theater. But fear not, dear friends. I'm here to turn down the heat and illuminate the advantages of each choice so you can make an informed decision for your kitchen kingdom. First, let's talk gas cooktops. These trusty veterans are beloved for their precision and control, offering instant heat and that satisfying click-click of the igniter. If you fancy yourself a kitchen connoisseur who likes playing conductor to the stovetop symphony, gas is your ace. The flame's as responsive as a cat to a can opener. Plus, when the power goes out, your gourmet escapades won't be hampered. But maybe you're tempted by electric cooktops. They offer a sleek finish that looks modern and clean enough to be on the cover of Minimalist Monthly. With coil or smooth tops, they provide steady, even heat, and they're generally easier to clean than their gas counterparts. Electric is a rock-solid choice for those who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it mindset. No flame adjustments until those onions start sweetening up. Next up, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When you're installing any type of cooktop, make sure your contractor knows which one you've chosen. You don't want to end up with the wrong gas line or inadequate wiring, throwing a wrench into your culinary dreams faster than you can say expensive mistake. Finally, let's tackle induction cooktops. The sorcerers of the kitchen world, they use electromagnetic fields to heat your pots directly, kind of like Jedi powers for your pans. Induction is faster than a desert lightning storm and energy efficient to boot. And get this, the cooktop itself stays cool to the touch. It's a safe option for homes with curious little chefs in training. Just make sure your cookware is compatible. So whichever you choose, gas for response, electric for ease, or induction for innovation, align your choice with your style and needs. Your cooktop is the foundation of your kitchen adventures, so go forth and choose wisely. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.